In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Grab driver platform from signing up to selecting Grab Bike. Whether you're new to this or need a refresher, I will guide you through each step so you can get started with ease. First, you'll want to access the Grab website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in grab.com. Once the page loads, you'll immediately see options related to Grab services. Looking across the top menu, locate and click on the option for drivers. This will direct you to the driver section of the site where you can begin the sign-up process. Now that you're on the driver page, direct your attention to the Sign Up button. This is typically found prominently displayed on the page to help new users begin their journey as a Grab driver. Clicking this will start the registration process. Moreover, take a moment to review any documentation or user agreements they may present. Familiarizing yourself with the guidelines and terms of the service can save you from unexpected surprises later on. Next, you'll encounter a form prompting you for your personal information. This is a standard part of the process where you'll need to provide details such as your name, contact information, and possibly some identification numbers. Ensure accuracy here, as incorrect information could delay your application. If you have any questions about what information is required or how it's used, don't hesitate to look for an FAQ section or customer service option for assistance. Once you've filled out your information, continue by clicking the Continue button. This will typically lead you to another page confirming your details and sometimes requiring additional verification. It's crucial to follow any on-screen instructions you receive at this stage, as they are necessary to complete your profile setup. Now, since you're likely interested in driving a motorcycle for deliveries, locate and click on Grab Bike from the list of services available. Selecting this option will align your profile with motorcycle-based delivery services, opening opportunities to thrive in a realm of speedy and efficient transportation. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Grab Bike driver. Keep in mind that the process might have a few additional steps based on your location or specific requirements. For example, you might need to upload certain documents or undergo a short training session. Navigating these processes with diligence will allow you to smoothly transition into your role as a Grab Bike driver, prepared and ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Safe travels on your Grab journey.